Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add keyframes in CapCut PC. But before that, if you don't know what is CapCut, it is a popular and user-friendly video editing app in which it offers a wide range of features such as trimming, cutting, transition, filters, and also keyframe animation with chroma key. So now the first thing that you need to do is simply upload from your computer files the video, and after that kindly simply drag it in your timeline below here. And after that, we can now start adding a keyframe to it. All you need to do is to simply click on it on the timeline, and it will show you that you could also start assembling or entering here a keyframe, in which the purpose of keyframes is to simply create smooth animation and transition by setting specific points. So by clicking on it, for example, we can click under the video settings, this keyframe icon. We can start adding it by clicking the diamond icon right there. For example, I'm going to simply choose here a specific points where I can add my keyframes. So basically in this timeline, we can define the changes in elements properties. So by adding a keyframe one in here, I'm going to play it. This part, I'm going to add more keyframe and do the same process of selecting or clicking the diamond icon. And once done, I'm going to enter once again another keyframe. So I'm going to make it at least keyframe 3. And to set the changes or to add the changes, I'm going to choose this one, the middle, and change the position to make it, for example, zoom in. Change the position scale right here or adjust it directly. Now, as you can see, it is basically what it looks like. So it will zoom in and zoom out in the video. So you can start playing from the beginning of the video, or alternatively, you could also start going to the part where the keyframes actually happen. So in here, I'm going to play this part. It will show us that here, basically the first keyframe, it is currently being zoom in, and once it's done, it will be able to become zoom out right here, or go back to its original style. So basically, aside from keyframes to use changes in position, scale, you could also use a rotation or opacity in here. So again, in order to do so, all you need to do is simply select here a specific point in your timeline video and simply select this diamond icon to add the keyframes, at least 3 keyframes for a new animation or changes in here to change the position or sizes, a rotation, and even the opacity of this video. And once done, it will now show you in here the changes that has been made. You could also start playing it right here on the part of the keyframes. As you can see, it is being zoomed out, and after being zoomed out, it will automatically go back to its original style in here. And if you're now done, you can now save it by clicking the export button on the top right to save the changes, and choose here the right sizes of the video and also the resolution of it. But overall, that is just basically how you can add keyframes in CapCut PC.